Hi guys, welcome back to Avengers of Nathan and Ethan. Today I'm going to do science. I'm making a lava lamp. You need a big glass, oil, water, vinegar, baking soda, food coloring. First, I'm going to put my oil in glass for hours full. Wow, you see? Wow. Just I'm going to add my vinegar next. Put it on. It looks fun. Wow, you see the bubbles down right here? It's not down, it's right here. And add in food coloring. I'm going to stir it up. Wow. See guys? It's yellow and red and black. See? That's so cool. That's so cool, guys. Mix it. Okay, I'm going to add my water to my baking soda now. I'm going to put my baking soda now in here now. That's fun. See guys? See? Making like a volcano. That's fun. You see guys? See something? Here looks very it smells like cherries to me. It's still exploding. See, it's still showing this. Some red coming up. See some bubbles at the side too? What? Wow, now I see these. Yeah, I see some. Oh, you see at the side, you see these? Oh, you see. Well, maybe it's making this. Maybe like it's fun. Oh, something. You see that big one? It always explodes. It's not too. Oh, now see it. So guys, you see, everything is going up and down, up and down. Something's not coming up. You see something at the side? Nothing is not coming up. Let me show you the screen. See guys? See, that's so cool. The screen is something called this. I hope you like my lava lamp video. Mash the bell and